Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to refresh your kitchen space and make it feel more inviting, stylish, and functional, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 10 kitchen decor ideas that will transform your cooking space into a place you'll love. So whether you're working with a small apartment kitchen or a spacious chef's dream, I've got something for everyone. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about color. A quick and easy way to inject life into your kitchen is through colorful accents. Whether it's a bold backsplash, some fun dishware, or a few quirky accessories like a bright kettle or patterned towels, adding color can instantly make the space feel more lively. Next, consider open shelving. It not only looks gorgeous, but also adds a more open, airy feel to the room. You can showcase your favorite dishes, coffee mugs, or even a few houseplants. Just make sure to keep things organized for that perfect Pinterest-worthy look. Speaking of plants, bringing in greenery can completely change the vibe of your kitchen. From hanging plants to small herb gardens on your windowsill, plants make your kitchen feel fresh and alive. Plus, herbs are super handy if you love cooking. Creating a cozy breakfast nook is a perfect way to transform a corner of your kitchen into a relaxing spot. Add a small table, comfy cushions, and soft lighting. It's a great place to enjoy your morning, coffee, or even just to sit and relax while the kids finish their homework. Now, let's talk storage. A well-organized kitchen not only looks great, but it also makes cooking and cleaning so much easier. Invest in stylish baskets, drawer dividers, or even pull-out pantry shelves to keep everything within reach but still looking neat. So there you have it, easy and stylish ways to update your kitchen. Whether you're making small changes or a bigger renovation, each of these ideas will help create a space that's functional, beautiful, and uniquely yours. Let me know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more decor inspiration and tips, and I'll see you next time.